Last week, I just turned 50. To be honest, it's still hard to believe. I've been practicing martial arts since I was 8. That's over 40 years now. Those 40 years have left their mark on me. Injuries to my hands, legs, and back. Sometimes even turning over in bed at night hurts. So why am I still pushing through at 50? In today's video, I want to show you the answer through my real life. I was just scrolling through short videos when I suddenly came across a clip of Jet Li's breeding circle. Oh man, he was incredibly cool. I'm not trying to clout chase here, but we really do come from the same martial arts school. After watching it, the hot blood of my 50-year-old self just started pumping all over again. So today we're going to practice the Fanzi fist. The biggest characteristic of this style can be summed up in one word: fast. And I don't mean just regular fast. When those punches go out, it's like a rainstorm, crack, 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 just exploding outward. Like the old saying goes, double fist dense as rain, crisp and fast as they strike. Once you really get into the flow, it doesn't even feel like punching anymore. It's like firing a machine gun. What makes this fist special is that it doesn't go head to head with you. It's all about dodging, flipping, piercing and circling. 1 second you see him up top and the next he's already dived into your lower body.
Let's go. Let's do some good warm-up to prepare the amazing tutorial for Fanzi quan. Your knee, your finger, your lips, your ear, your hair, your toes need to be good warm up. All of that sounds like joking, but yeah, every part of your body needs to be warm up to prepare your good training, also avoiding your injuries. What are we waiting for? Let's go. Let's start some basics. This is the first basics. Your to punch up and down. This is just a really cool basics. Is go up and down and put your speed. It just look like a bullet fast, right? But also this one can be go up and down, but also sometimes it can be go middle and you go left hand as well. Use your palm to push that way. And now we talk about straight punch. The straight punch can be really close to the Wing Chun punch. Wing Chun is different than what we do with the Fanzi quan. So Wing Chun, you do halfway and then use the Chun Jin. It's like inch power. You gotta be short, strong, and solid, powerful. Fanzi quan, the technique for punch is different. You do longer and bigger. So your punch from your waist and your feet is your important. Feet can boost your speed with your punches. So your punch according with your feet, both together is very powerful. Means fast, fast, fast. Fast like fireworks. As well, since your direction consistently, that is what called Fanzi quan. Fanzi quan also very agility. You can jump, you can punch up and down. You can change like a Tongbi quan. Now we're going to a tutorial for one of a combination. So your right hand do 超拳 and turning your body to your right side to make like a circle punch. And you punch twist to attacking. That is great movement. The next move, your left hand open flat. And you make sure you stay in center. 单拍脚 kicking, circle punch, 马步 punch. Repeating the circle punch. Left hand all the way. Elbow. Open your both hand. Kicking. Your toe go down. Both hand cross. And kicking by your heel. That's dangerous move. Right arm go up. Turning. Switching your feet. Both hand. Double punch. Come back. Double palm.
At 50, the world tells you to settle, but my spirit refuses to listen. People ask why I still embrace the struggle, why I still choose the sweat and the ache. The truth is the process is grueling. Every morning is a battle against my own body. But then I remember the lineage, the fire of the masters, and I realize that age is just a shadow you can strike through. Today, I find my resolve in Fanzi quan. It is the flash fan fist, a philosophy of relentless speed. The old masters said, double fist dense as rain. It's about overcoming hardship not by force, but by becoming the storm. When you find the flow, you aren't just punching, you are a machine gun of intent. You don't clash, you pierce, you dodge, you evolve. The path is steep and the journey is hard, but I have made my choice. My feet are on wind and fire wheels, shifting past the pain, finding light in the struggle. 50 isn't the end, it's where the technique finally turns into lightning. I'm not slowing down, I'm just getting started.
累的比较，你就不知道什么是轻松；没有苦，你就不知道什么是甜。所以啊，老蒋送给你一个字儿：干就完了。